Good morning. Cabin tour tayo, cabin. Cabin tour. There's two cabins.
Yeah, that's like my.
You know.
Daddy, I'm here.
Wow. Ay, be careful.
Okay, Daddy. Oh,
Come on. You did it. Help you.
okay. Open it.
Oh. I'm just... There you are. Wow.
Where's the swimming pool?
There's the swimming pool.
Yeah. Let's go down. Let's go down, Daddy.
Oh, wait for me. Wait for me, Margaret.
Okay.
There's the other cabin.
Come here. Daddy, come here now.
Up. Wait, we will close it up. Wait for me, Margaret. Wait. Yan, may bed din dyan.
Dad.
Yeah. Wow. There's water.
Hey, what's the those?
Oh, turn it up.
Daddy, let's see another.
Let's take a look at the other one.
Yeah.
There's the shower.
Daddy, right here. Dad, let's jump monkeys to first jumping on a bed. One fell up and buckets.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Monkey. Dad, you'll be a monkey.
Me the monkey?
Yeah.
I don't want to be a monkey. Cabin 1. This is cabin 2. Yan, parehas lang naman yan. Yung sa 1 and 2. Hey. You take a swim again later? I help you. Ayan, yung cabin 1 and cabin 2. Ayan yung pool. Ayan si Margaret. There's the bahay kubo. There's the kitchen. I help you. And here's the CR. There's the showers.
Dad, there's another. Daddy, I lost my hands.
Oh, diba? Malakas ang tubig.
one is not working then.
It's not working. It's all working. Yun know. Yan, dito yung magiging parkingan. So yan yung gate. Bongga. Ang kitchen. Saan ka pa?